You've probably heard people talk about high-ticket affiliate marketing, but what exactly does that really mean? Now, in this video, I will simplify everything. You understand how it works, how it's different from regular affiliate marketing, and how to leverage Digistore24 to do high-ticket affiliate marketing the right way. And by the end of this video, you won't just understand the concept, you will be able to set up your first high-ticket system from scratch and know exactly what steps to take to make your first sale. First of all, let's break it down. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply promoting a product through a unique link, and when anybody buys through that link, you get a commission. And I've actually done affiliate marketing and promoted a variety of products, and this is a screenshot of some of my earnings from one of these products. Now, when it comes to traditional affiliate marketing, this is when you promote low-cost products. For example, you promote like a $30 ebook or a $50 course, and then you earn maybe like $10, $20, $5 per sale, depending on the percentage agreed. But when it comes to high-ticket affiliate marketing, this focuses on promoting premium products. That means those products that sell for about $500, $1,000, or even more. The difference is that you earn way bigger commissions per sale, often like $200, $400, or even $600 for a single conversion. Now, the beauty of this particular model is that you do not need hundreds of sales. You just need a few quality leads who are ready to buy that valuable product. Now, let's talk about setting things up with Digistore24. The first thing you want to do is you want to head over to Digistore24.com and log in. If you do not have an account, it's pretty much easy to sign up. You just simply click Get Started, and it will take you to this point where you input your username, email, password, repeat password. You click I am an affiliate, you accept the terms and agreement, you continue, and just follow through the process. It literally takes less than 2 minutes thereabouts. And once you're all signed up and you're good to go, next thing you want to do is you want to log in. Now, when you head over to the marketplace and you click all offers on the marketplace, you will be able to see hundreds of offers across different categories, be it fitness, be it finance, business, spirituality, crypto, and many more. As you can see, you can filter by product categories, which has digital products, event and seminar services, shipping products. You can filter by the payment method, by the language, by the commission type, and so on. Now, to find high-ticket products, you want to be looking at the earning per sale. Remember that we said high-ticket products are products that the actual price is high, and therefore the amount you get per conversion is as well high. So the easiest way to be able to find these high-ticket products is to simply filter it down. You can use this filter icon here and click earnings per sale. It's going to filter down all the products and bring out the ones that you get the highest earnings per sale down to the one that you get the lowest earnings per sale. So as you can see, for this one, for every conversion, your net earning is like $2,356. Here you can see it's over $1,000 here. If you scroll down, over $1,000, and it keeps going. So when you are choosing, you don't just want to go for the highest commission. So because it's high ticket, then you just go for this one and try to start promoting it. No, that's not the way to go about it. Instead, you want to pick a product you understand or you can genuinely talk about. For example, do you understand quantum computing system? Can you genuinely talk about it? Can you genuinely provide value based on information that you have? If you cannot do that, then that is not the best fit of a product for you to promote. So what you can do is you can further filter down by the niche. So it's going to show you more products under that niche, but that have the highest earnings per sale. So let's take, for example, you are into online business or finance. You may want to go for a high-ticket product that possibly talks about digital marketing or like a wealth course. I think I saw one down below. You can see Millionaire Partner System. Although you need to check the sales page to be sure on what the product actually offers, to be sure it's the right fit for you. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be going with something like online marketing and e-business. And you can see there are quite a number. You can see Millionaire Partner System. You can see Tube Mastery and Monetization. You can see Passive Income System and all of that. Now, finding a product that you can actually talk about is one part of it. Another thing is you need to know that that product is actually worth promoting, because a product can be under your niche. It could be something you can talk about, but the sales page may not be good enough, or the product is vague in terms of what it offers. So you need to go to the sales page to be sure on what this product actually offers, and to be sure that the sales page is something that can actually convert when you send people to it. So you can see this is good. Free training, 2 bonuses, what, 997. So I guess this is something like there's a free training that directs you to the actual product. Then from there you can buy. So the free training is more like a value upfront, which is really like a good idea for a sales page and has more chances of converting. So let's take, for example, we are going with this particular product. Once you have found a product that you like, you want to click on the promote now. Once you click on the promote now, you will be able to get your affiliate link. So you can see promo link here. You can simply click here to copy it. Now, this link is what you would share so that when anyone clicks the link, you get a commission. So now that you've picked your product, the next thing is you want to decide where to promote it. And this is super important in affiliate marketing. Now, while there are many options, there are a lot of options out there in terms of social media. There's TikTok, there's Instagram, there's Facebook, there's Reddit, there's Quora, and the likes. If you are a beginner or you are new to high-ticket affiliate marketing, I would strongly recommend that you start with YouTube. Now, here's why. The first is that YouTube videos keep working for you long after you post them. So you can have videos 5 years ago, 7 years ago, still gaining traction. Secondly, you can create simple videos without showing your face. For example, this video I'm doing is not showing my face. You may not necessarily have to create a talking avatar like mine, but you can actually do screen recording videos. You can use stock videos and the likes. And most importantly, people on YouTube are already in a learning mindset, which means that they are ready to buy when they find a valuable information. So instead of trying to post everywhere, you want to focus on creating a few solid videos that help people understand your product and how it solves a real problem. Now, later in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what kind of YouTube videos to make for your first high-ticket promotion. Now, most people think, okay, when you want to get on YouTube, it has to be with some level of excellence, and they begin to overthink it. But in real sense, you do not need fancy editing or studio lights or a perfect voice. What you need is trust and clarity. Especially when you're trying to do educational videos, you just need to express clarity. You have to express value. Now, here's a simple structure that you can follow. The first thing is you want to start with a hook. You want to call out a pain point that your audience has, a problem that your audience are facing. For example, if you're trying to promote a high-ticket fitness product, your hook could be something like, if you've been hitting the gym for months but still can't lose belly fat, this video might change the way you train. You can see that. That's a pain point for a lot of people who are trying to get in shape. Now, another example is if you are promoting a high-ticket finance or business offer, your hook could be something like, if you're trying to make money online but every method feels complicated or low paying, then this might surprise you. This is just an example, of course. Your hook does not have to be the exact same way. So that's something you want to, first of all, you want to call out the problem of your viewer. The next thing is you want to give value. Educate before you promote. It could be sharing a quick tip or lesson related to the product. For example, you can say, the reason most people struggle isn't effort, it's using systems that don't scale. Here's a better approach, right? So you are promoting the product in a way that you are teaching a lesson in a valuable way. The third thing you want to do is you want to introduce the product naturally, then transition into your affiliate offer. And this is where a lot of people use it because they jump into selling. So this is a product I want you to buy. No, you want to introduce it naturally such that your audience doesn't even get the feeling that they are trying to be sold to. For example, you can say something like, I came across this program on Digistore24 that teaches exactly how to fix that. And it's one of the few high quality ones I've seen. So you're actually introducing it naturally from your standpoint. And because your viewers have trusted you over time, they would listen to your opinion or your recommendation. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to show proof or a demo. People who buy stuff would buy based on conviction. So you want to share your screen to show what the Digistore24 page looks like. You want to show what the product looks like, or even testimonials, maybe your personal testimonials in real time. Those are good convictions that can help your audience make decisions faster. And the fifth one is you want to end with a clear call to action, which is a CTA. You want to tell them what to do next. You don't just leave them guessing, because as much as you stir them up, introduce the product naturally and attach your affiliate link in the description, you want to tell them go there and click. If not, you're going to build all of that up for nothing. You're going to build all that momentum, all that anticipation for nothing. For example, you can say, if you want to check it out, I have linked below that. It's free to explore and you get all the details there. Mind you, if it's not free, don't say it's free. You want to be as honest as possible while introducing the product naturally. Now, your first video does not need to be perfect. In fact, it may not be perfect. But the most important thing is it just needs to help someone understand the opportunity clearly. Now, once your video is live, your next goal is you want to start getting consistent traffic, because it's not just about how valuable your video is. Can you get people to actually see them and click on it? And YouTube actually helps to make that easier than you think. Easiest way is you want to start by making search-based content, videos that answer questions that your audience are already Googling. So you ask yourself, audience that would typically want to buy a fitness product, what are they Googling? What are they actually searching for? What kind of videos would they like to see that would answer their pain points? For example, if your product is in fitness, you could create videos like, here's why you're not losing belly fat and how to fix it. Or something like, my 30-day home workout results. So you can see that you are leveraging search-based results. If your product is in finance or business, you could do how to build an extra income stream online step by step, or a beginner mistake that keeps you broke. Now, these are just examples, of course, but one thing you should know is that because YouTube is a large place with a lot of competition, there's kind of a struggle for attention. So what you want to focus on is you want to focus on really niched down topics. That is, pain points that people are actually searching for that still has some high level of search volume but very low competition. Those are the ones you want to leverage on to be seen faster. Now, these kind of videos actually attract people already looking for help. And when they find your video and they see you explaining a problem clearly and naturally recommending a solution, that is what makes them trust you and click your link. Now, here's a few tips in order to help your videos get discovered if you are leveraging YouTube for high-ticket affiliate marketing with Digistore24. The first thing you want to do is you want to use keyword. For example, if you're doing fitness, your niche is belly fat. Remember, you're not talking about general fitness because that's such a broad word. You want to niche down. Probably it's belly fat. You want to use that in your title. You want to use that in your description. Again, another thing is you want to create curiosity-driven thumbnails that stand out. Now, thumbnails are what makes people click. Without good thumbnails, it's going to be really hard for people to decide if your video is valuable or not. So you want to make sure you create curiosity-driven thumbnails that stand out. Another thing you want to do is you want to add your affiliate link in the top lines of your description. Don't bury it. Remember, when you give people a call to action to click the link wherever it is, probably your description, you want to make it as visible as possible, because if viewers cannot find it in a matter of seconds, they're just going to move on. Another thing that you can do is leveraging YouTube search bar. So when you type in something, YouTube is going to show you the top searches in line with that particular niche. And that will help you to know what is the top search results that people are searching for with regards to this niche. And that will help you to be able to craft your videos in that line. So you can see belly fat workout, belly fat loss exercise, belly fat burning exercise for women, and all of that. And when you click on one, you can also have your vidIQ extension installed. That will help you determine if this particular keyword is worth giving a shot. So you can see this has somewhat of a high volume. When it's extending to the green, or when it's in the green lane, it means the volume is very high. And when the competition is in the green lane, it means the competition is very low. So you want to aim for high volume, low competition. Now, I talk a lot more on this in my YouTube Growth Strategy Guide, how you can actually get visibility on YouTube, even if you're just starting today as a small YouTuber. I show you how you can leverage SEO, as well as many other strategies that you can use to get the right eyes. Remember, it's not in the number of views. Instead, you want to get the right quality viewers to see your videos. For example, if you're watching this video right now, it's probably because you are curious about high-ticket affiliate marketing or Digistore affiliate marketing. And because this video was properly targeted, that is the reason it got to you. So I've left the link to the strategy guide in the description, and you can click on it and go check it out. Now, over time, each new video brings more traffic and trust, and when people start seeing you as a go-to person in that niche, your videos continue to bring in affiliate sales even while you are not online. For example, you can see this video is over 4 years ago and it's still getting 467 views per hour. So just imagine this particular video has an affiliate link, or it's probably naturally promoting an affiliate product. Imagine how much conversion that this particular video would be doing. So that is how you turn this into a long-term passive income. Your videos keep bringing in clicks and commissions even when you are not online. Now, remember, this is high-ticket affiliate marketing whilst leveraging Digistore24. If you are practically new to Digistore24 and you want to just start out with low ticket before transitioning into high ticket, then the video I'm going to attach next is going to be really helpful to you, where I show you how you can do the traditional affiliate marketing leveraging Digistore24. And if that is of interest to you, you want to click the video you see on your screen right now and go check it out. Ciao.